Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Me and Walter had to get up bright and early this morning because Amber was bringing Makai over here so she can go get her ultrasound. And they don't allow kids in the ultrasound room. So he's gone now. But anyway, me and Walter about to hit the streets. He wants to go to Portillo's and get an Italian beef. I don't know what I want. I'm trying to eat healthier than I've been eating because my pressure has been up. So it's down now because I've been basically just laying around and trying not to get upset about the little stuff that so-and-so does. Stupid stuff. Anyway, this is my outfit of the day. I pulled this old wig out of one of the bags. I don't know what it is, but it's a half wig. I used to wear half wigs all the time. And I know it's really old because back in the day I used to cut the adjustable straps out of it. I don't know why, but that's what I did. So the straps are out. Still has the combs in it. Plus, I just combed it good, brushed it good with one of those Denman brushes. So it still looks decent to me. So I'm going to wear my wigs, y'all. Of course, I had to darken my edges. Anyway, I have on a caftan tunic, meaning short caftan. I got a bunch of long ones too, y'all. And I paired it with some black denim jeans. So let me get my pose on. Send some thoughts through the airwaves as to what food I should get out. Okay? Okay. I think I may get me an Italian beef also. But I like it dipped, well, really dunked in the au jus. I like the squeezed cheese on it. I like the whole lot of hot giardiniera peppers on it. And the bell pepper. And of course, I can't pick up no sopping wet sandwich. So I have to pick it. Pick some of the bread and pick some of the meat and put a couple peppers up in there. Yeah, that's what I'll get to from Portillo's. Okay. I'm dreading voting this time. I don't know who I dislike the most. So, I know I ought to vote. I don't know this time. I don't even know. Okay? Tell me how y'all feel. Or maybe I ain't supposed to say this on YouTube. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. Give me a 2 thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And I may not be through with this video, so, because it's only 4 minutes, and I need to have 8 minutes for them to put the ads in. So I may add to it when I come back with whatever food we get. Okay, y'all be blessed. Bye. Hi, y'all. I told you every goodbye ain't gone. So I'm back to show y'all the food we got. We stopped at 2 different food places. Let me turn this around. Okay, y'all know I carry these. I got 2 of these bags in the car. They're insulated bags. So when I go to the grocery and I buy ice cream, I use one for the cold stuff And when I get takeout food, I get one for the hot food. Just a minute. Okay, y'all. Got me the 9-inch Italian beef with what they call hot peppers, but they're not hot. So he put a sport pepper on there. I went somewhere else and got fries, because neither one of us like this place's fries. So I tasted the pepper, and the peppers ain't hot. So I got my own. And drizzle some of that juice on here. Okay. Oh, I'll pick that up. Okay, so this is my Italian beef. Did he put cheese on it? I told him I wanted some squeezed cheese on it. Yeah, it's on there. I want the cheese on there, hot peppers, and sweet peppers, and some fries. Okay, Walter got a what do you got? What's this? Italian beef with barbecue sauce on it. Okay, that's my order. There's some good apples I bought from Walmart. They're Macintosh. I like Jonathan apples, but I haven't seen Jonathan apples in a long time. Okay. Okay, y'all, I'm gone for real now. Y'all be blessed. Bye.